Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Holly, and today I wanted to share with you a recipe for homemade chili that my husband's mother used to make for him when he was younger. And you need chili powder, enchilada sauce, and onion soup mix, and you only need one onion soup pack. You also need 6 cans of Bush's Best chili beans, the Pinto beans, and 2 pounds of ground meat that you want to cook thoroughly. And all I did was season it with some garlic powder, some onion powder, and some black pepper. After the meat's cooked completely, then drain all the grease out of the pan. Now I added my meat to the Instapot, and I'm also going to add 1 envelope of the onion soup mix to the meat. Add the red enchilada sauce to your meat. Add a 1/4 cup of chili powder. Then stir everything up and make sure you incorporate everything really well so that way all that flavor gets into every bit of that meat. Add 2 cups of water to the meat mixture. Now stir everything up really well, and then put your Instapot lid on and make sure it's on tight. And then make sure the button is on for the pressure. Now I set this on normal, on a low pressure for 10 minutes, and then once it was done, I did the manual release of the steam after it sat for about 10 minutes. Now start adding your chili beans to this. And I think these were 15-ounce cans. I cannot remember, but I think it was 15 ounces. So add all 6 cans, and then you're just going to stir this up really, really well. And I used the saute button on this Instapot, and I just brought it up to a boil because all you're doing is heating the beans through. And I didn't want to put the beans in under pressure because I was worried they would disintegrate. So I put them in last. And then this will eventually thicken up, and you can serve it with crackers, or if you like, you can serve it with cheese on top. So whichever way you like it, or even goldfish crackers, anything you like would go great with this. I hope that you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're interested in seeing more videos like it, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell, and that will notify you when I post new videos. Thank you all again for watching, and have a blessed day.